Okay, our issue was privacy and security concerning technology used in education now. It was me, Megan, and Josh. So, utilizing students' records and other vital information is very important for a school to understand children in the early stages of learning. The child's background needs to be accessible to a teacher and other faculty members within the school system. And here is where the issue arises of when is it too much information shared and who specifically gets to see that information. So first, we found some guidelines that it's based on CIPA, or the Children's Internet Protection Act. Within that act, it's mandatory for schools to block material that is inappropriate or harmful, to implement passwords or logins to avoid hacking, which again, this is very important now, especially because a lot of schools are giving the students iPads, Chromebooks, laptops, etc. So it's really important to have all that stuff password protected so that the wrong person can't see the child's legally protected information. Then also limit disclosure of personal information to a need to know basis. So what that means is basically only letting the child's teacher see it, specific staff members, like administrators, or the child's parents see that information, parents or legal guardians. By limiting disclosure of the child's legally protected information, it will make it a lot easier to keep them safe and to keep that information out of the wrong hands, or out of too many hands. Okay, so a suggestion that we found was actually from in.gov, with their security and privacy protocols. So they actually said that they use software programs to monitor traffic on their site to catch any unauthorized attempts to cause damage or change something. Now, if this were to be implemented in schools, especially again with all the extra technology these days, that could be really helpful when it comes to who can, enter the school's Wi-Fi, who can have access to certain documents, and if that is trying to be tampered with, it would be much easier to find that out. Okay, so down here is our resources. Again, there, we just used some YouTube videos, just a quick overview of privacy and security when it comes to emailing and stuff like that. This one here is another article about privacy and security. The in.gov is where we got the monitoring traffic of the website's idea. And then here at ELAC Indiana, that is where we did more research on the Child's Internet Protection Act. There you go, privacy and safety.